Okay. Welcome to the Foundational Infrastructure Working Group meeting. Don't have many things. This one, I reviewed that together with Connie, and we saw that there is no test, but also they made a mistake, I guess. Is this the same? Oh yeah, so they did add a test now. Okay, yeah, so this variable was wrong last time, but it's now fixed. So yeah, they should be ready to re-review, I guess. And I also will do that, but not now. So pending review. Okay. So there's a review from Ramonski.
So this is waiting for changes.
Yeah.
Ja, absolut ganz üblich. Interessant ist es trotzdem.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that is really not a lot of stuff. White space and a bump of a thing. Okay, I'm just gonna approve this. If you also want to, I mean, review it, could maybe just merge it. Oh wait, what's this?
Okay.
Ja. Aber ich meine, das ist bei 300 Meter über Null aus. Oder bei 200 Meter über 5 gewesen. Ich meine, das ist ja genau, deswegen ist ja auch
Actually, I'm not gonna approve it because it needs the ECCLA thing needs to be fixed.
Yes, this is a good point. The CLA thing. Let's do it.
Okay, apart from that, nothing much. Waiting for changes. Yeah. Okay, let's go over the open issues. Open issues since the 15th. Yeah, we still have those Windows things that I still need to look into, but I've been really busy with internal things. Stop waiting. Uh,
Is this reproducible
uh-huh.
or just
Would be nice to have some CPI logs, right?
isn't that at the beginning was that a CPI log?
Yeah,
This
that
is
would be.
this is task log, but at the top, what was that on the top?
That's just the
This is the
these
CLI.
normal
Yeah.
outputs. It's not the,
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is the
not the
CLI.
CPI log.
Die meisten haben halt ein Problem mittlerweile halt mit dem alten Altersstufen. Ja, genau.
Oh, there is. If there is. Okay, this is in discussion. I have so no context on this. Do you have any idea? No, you're not using Windows any even, right? In the
No. Stand not. Aaron. Interesting. Script on Linux.
Wir haben auch welche, die haben es dann quasi gemacht und die Funktion einsetzen, wir angefangen, Kurzwege zu bauen. Und wir haben uns immer Jahre. Du denkst ja auch, der was sein Leben kann, Krieg auf Kriegsfelder. Das war dann gut.
Yeah, I don't know. could be that it's gone.
Mm,
Ja, das ist immer, selbst wenn du irgendwie persönlich mit leiden kannst, ist egal, das gibt's gar nicht. Aber jetzt ist immer
so indeed.
wichtig. Ja.
No reference to this in the Cloud Foundry org. That okay. Silently continue. Seems by design.
Enabling Windows to find the that's right.
It looks like it's expected, right? So it's a thing, a feature to work when
Set NP preference not found.
Aber man darf nur gleich versprochen, da hat man versprochen, ja, das macht die Sicherheit.
but it seems like the CLI is there.
Operation failed with default. Yeah, so it looks like the disabling failed. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like the flag is not there.
At one char 1 second press save. Not specified.
Ja, und das ist mir das gibt es ja auch so Makerspace mittlerweile. Der kriegt sich nicht irgendwann kannst du einnehmen. Das Feld kann nicht sicher sein, habe ich gesagt, aber die ist nicht ganz anders außen.
Something like that. I'm also wondering if they are maybe on a version of Windows that's not even supported.
I wanted to, yeah, maybe we, yeah, to ask you, to say that asking which Windows they're trying to do.
Yeah. Because we don't support many versions.
Yeah.
Where's this? Still the OpenStack CPI. That should not happen.
And you tried this one and didn't it work for you?
Well, this is a new one. 6 days ago. And this time it's not about a dev release or anything. This is the new release. Like the latest CPI release seems to not work.
Not find my IP address. Was it what was in the latest release of the OpenStack CPI?
Seven days ago.
Update Ruby. Could be that's something.
Okay, I will create a bug. No backlog to look into this. Prioritize. Okay. Start it.
On the dashboard.
Um, yeah, I don't know how to reason about this. It's interesting. They should probably raise an internal issue at VMware, because I mean, like, it would be useful to. They are definitely using some VMware stuff, right? So
Yeah.
it has been open, or the previous issue didn't get prioritized. So I think a better way to get this resolved would be through a support case. So I'm gonna tell that person that internally.
Mhm.
Okay, and then the last one. Yeah, and this was about that.
Windows is taking off.
One person complaining about a few things.
I'm just joking.
But where is it? Where is it coming from? Where do we get a package from? But I mean, like, for this, it's the same, right? This is another basically internal issue. Yeah, I will reach out to that person. Is there anything else you want to discuss?
Not yet. I don't have any feedback regarding the nuts to all change.
Is it working already, or are you using it already, or is it still to be deployed?
Not yet. Not yet. Our team is busy with other stuff. Didn't have time to consume that version of Bosch.
Okay.
But I was somehow the implementation. I reviewed the PR last week, and I'm not sure about the performance clearing the VMs endpoint every 10 seconds. Whether this could be an issue or not, I don't know. Let's see. This is with environments where you have more VMs, could be a little bit slow. So
Oh,
the
is
implement.
Is
the
it looking at the VMs endpoint, but that will do a nets call for each, right?
Yeah, it calls the deployments endpoint, gets all the deployments, and then iterates all over the deployments and calls the VMs that deployment. And this way, this user's Zunk is getting the agent IDs.
But is that an API only call, or is it also getting the vitals and stuff? Like, is
This
that also?
API only call, and you get most probably also the vitals. I'm not there is no flag, I think.
Basically, is it getting the same output that you have when you do Bosch VMs, like the CLI command?
It's not the same. I tried this, and with the CLI you don't get the agent ID, but when you call the API directly with curl Bosch curl API deployment -VMs, then you get also the agent ID in the JSON response.
But you also get the
little-
vitals or not? Is it like instant or is it like going through a task?
I'm not sure. I don't remember. It was like instant. It was not. It doesn't trigger a task.
No, it should be fine, right?
With the CLI, you are triggering task, but the
Yeah.
APIs, I'm not
Here,
sure.
agent ID, CI Cloud ID job. That
Yeah.
should be a fast endpoint. That's basically just an API query, right? Or a database query.
Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Some still parsing happening and so on.
What
but,
would be the alternative?
I don't know what could be the alternative. Maybe the director reporting the new agents when yeah, it's I don't have an alternative at the moment. Usually the director generates the agent ID when a new VM is created, and maybe some kind of eventing from director to that could be an alternative, but when do you remove removing the old agents? I don't know when you delete VM.
Yeah, so the next thing we would like to do with this is to start rotating the agent's credentials on startup. So we basically get rid of the bootstrap credential.
Yeah.
But that would be a next iteration of this.
But I think we will have more feedback in the next weeks.
Okay, looking forward to that. Okay, thanks. Have a nice weekend.
Thank you, you too. See you next week. Bye-bye.
See ya. Bye-bye.